All right. So here's my Facebook page. That's me with my eyes closed, and that's me with my eyes open. This is my family. That's my dad. He's the Don. And that's my mom. That's his wife. And that's me again. And that's my brother. He is really smart. He's going to Yale to get his PhD. This is my wife, Abby. She's short. And this is my dog, Bear. He's black and white. And this is Tavi. That's another dog. And down here you can see me. Hey. So, let's keep going. That's in the mountains. We went skiing on Christmas. And It's my birthday on November 3rd, 2017. It's November 3rd every year, but this past year it was 2017. That's us running a marathon in 1 hour and 1 minute. Record pace. This is our friends. That's Hunter, and that's Jenna. He's going to be a PA, and she's a teacher, and she's a teacher. So, two teachers. This is California. They have donuts in California, and mountains in California, and Facebook in California too. They have Italy in California, and that's Yosemite. It's great. More California, and that's me. That's my niece, sister-in-law, nephew, niece. They all have names, but there's too many names right now. And that's pretty much me and my wife and my mother-in-law. And that's all.